Hi there, Siser here from createinspain. I'm not going to show you how to make this card today because, well, if you can't work this out, then there really isn't much point in you watching this video. It's simply layered up. So we have a card base which happens to be 12 centimeters square, and then I've got an 11 centimeter square topped off with a 10 centimeter square which has got the design. I finished it off with a little bow that I made, and that's it, all done. Now if you notice, it does look a little distressed, if you like. I suppose it's slightly grey on the edges, and that's because I cut it on my laser. I generally do with prototypes because it just allows me to do it that much quicker, and I can see whether I've got any mistakes in the file. So this one has worked out pretty well. The only mistake that I made was using a silicone glue to put this top layer on. I forgot to pick up my anti-wrinkle glue or no wrinkle glue. It will probably dry out flat, so I'm not about to stress about it. And as I said, this is a prototype anyway. But I think the design itself is quite nice, quite festive. If you want to add a sentiment, you can either put one on the bottom here, or you could make the card longer and put a sentiment underneath if you didn't want to go over that square area. Choice is yours. The other thing you can do to ring the changes is to use an alcohol marker before you put it all together to go around the borders of the squares. And you can also, if you want to, put a different colour underneath the front layer. Now I wanted an all white effect, so I didn't do that. But that would change it up quite considerably, especially if you're using something like red or black or silver, that type of thing. So it's a really good all-rounder file to use. I think it's quite attractive. And you just have to design your own sentiment if you want to put one on. I often don't put sentiments on cards, partly because living in Spain, do I put it in English? Do I put it in Spanish? Yeah, it's easier not to have one on there at all. Okay, that's it for today. I will put the file link down below, SVG format. You can use my files no matter what cutter you have. And I will see you again soon. Take care now.